Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a quick unboxing to show you what you can expect when you order from Hexlox.com. So, everything ships straight out of Berlin, Germany. If you're in Germany, you'll usually get your package in just a day or two. Anywhere else in the world, it's more like a week or two. With all the tariff turbulence lately, that might vary a bit, but that's the general idea. All right, let's check out what's inside. Most of the time, in your package, you'll get the Hexlox key card. This card holds your personal 3-digit Hexlox key code. Definitely keep that code somewhere safe, like in your phone's contacts under Hexlox because you're going to want it later. Why? Well, that same key code is what makes sure all your future Hexlox orders, whether it's extra keys or inserts, work perfectly with your original setup. All your Hexlox inserts and Hexlox keys are paired together with this 3-digit Hexlox key code. The shape of the key exactly matches the internal shape of the insert, but only if they share the same key code. This ensures only your key can remove your hex locks. It also means that you only need one hex locks key for all your hex locks inserts. Think of it as your hex locks fingerprint. Same key code, same shape, perfect fit every time. If you need some video instructions, just scan the QR code in the bottom right corner to go to our video instructions page at hexlox.com/video-instructions. There you'll find lots of easy-to-follow videos covering most of the Hexlox products. Now, depending on what you ordered, here's what you'll get. If you ordered a Hexlox key, it'll be attached right here on the key card. You should know that, for security reasons, we do not sell any replacement keys unless you enter your Hexlox key code that you received the first time you ordered from us. If you ordered any inserts, those are placed onto the tip of the key, and if you just ordered inserts, they'll come on a magnetic strip instead. There are, of course, a number of other Hexlox products that you might have ordered, but that's for another unboxing video.